Hey man, this is the best time for me to, reintroduce myself, you guys. I've been gone for a while, but we got some good news for some upcoming releases that I feel like are on everybody's must-cop list, the priority sneakers. And we're gonna break it down in today's video, give you guys a huge update about a couple things that's surrounding this sneaker community. I've been here, bruh. Ain't nothing wrong with your boy DeVintage. I'm still here lurking in the background, seeing what's going on in the community, you know what I'm saying? So definitely drop some gist for you guys today. So let's go ahead and hop into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, man. Like I said, man, we are back, bro. It's been 2 weeks, like officially 2 weeks today that have not dropped a video. You guys know I've still been over on IG posting, reposting a couple things on the story and stuff like that, seeing what's going on, seeing stuff getting pushed back, seeing what's popping off, seeing, rumors about shop drops and restocks and stuff like that, man. I've been here, bro. I've been seeing it all, man. I've been seeing you guys in the comments y'all have dropped on some of the recent videos I did drop 2 weeks ago, you know what I'm saying? So I've been here, man. Appreciate you guys' support. Thank you guys for tapping in continuously. If you guys don't do nothing else in today's video, man, leave a huge like for your boy DeVintage and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Hit the notification bell so you can miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. Your boy's back. Gotta give you guys some content. I got some early kicks on the way that I've been waiting for a couple days now, but I'm here to show you guys what we're gonna be getting here in the near future, man. All right, guys. So, man, I think the huge elephant in the room is surrounding the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Remastered. And as you guys know, man, I do have a pair right here, and I see a lot of people already complaining about this upcoming release, but nonetheless, bro, the upcoming remastered Air Jordan 3s are gonna fly, bro. They're definitely going to fly. And the huge information I did get yesterday that I seen, floating around Discord, Instagram, and stuff like that, there are gonna be over 350,000 pairs of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Remasters. And that's kind of why I figured that we're going to be getting them same huge quality control issues like we got for the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. You guys know some pairs had the dark elephant print, some had the light skin pair, light skin tone on them things. But this upcoming release, I see a lot of pairs consistent with the lighter, elephant print on the heels and on the toe box. So we shall see if the pairs is consistent with the lighter tone on the elephant print on the heels and on the toe box and stuff like that. So we shall see that. But some people are complaining. They say, yo, we need that dark, that nice imprint of the elephant print on the back and on the toe box. But to me, tomato. It don't really matter to me, man. Still a crispy pair of Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Remasters. And I was on the fence like, yo, should I even cop these? Should I put my emphasis towards them because I already have a pair right here? And they're still pretty clean. They're still pretty clean, but I do want to, get a pair in hand, of course. Kind of see what the things hitting for, see the differences, see this whole remaster look that they're going to be going after. Because like I said, man, there's nothing wrong with this pair that I got right here, but you guys know how it is in sneakerheads, bro. They've been dropping, Space Jams for forever, lows, highs. They keep dropping the same stuff. And, at the end of the day, bro, you're either going to, partake in it or you're going to step to the side and let everybody else cop, have the fun while you watch from afar, man. But your boy DeVintage definitely is going to bring you guys an early look over the remastered Air Jordan 3s. And like I said, bro, the 2018 pair isn't bad at all. Kind of feel like it is a little bit too early for them to bring this remastered pair out. But, bro, 2018, think about this, bro. 2018, bro, was 6 years ago. 6 years ago. That's crazy. Just think about, time has been flying so fast. I don't know what's been going on. I don't know what it is, bro. But 6 years ago, these dropped and they're still in pretty good condition. But 6 years is definitely a long time, man. 4 years shy of a decade, bro. Like, just think about that, bro. Time is just crazy, bro. I don't know what's going on, man. And of course, we have been seeing rumors about shop drop and stuff like that because this pair does release, November the 23rd or something like that. You know how Nike gonna do, bro. Nike gonna slide in there real quick, drop a shop drop. Of course, give it exclusive access and stuff like that. But if I had to guess anything, any upcoming time frame will be probably the beginning of November or right after, yeah, definitely around, November's time frame. I feel like that's the best time to do a shot drop because, like I said, I think these released the 23rd, if I'm not mistaken. and, you know, give it to, you know, shot drop like 2-3 weeks before the drop. It's typically what we have seen from Nike, man. So you guys stay tuned, keep your eyes peeled for that. But this is a huge release. This is one of them ones. So make sure you guys are ready for it. The shot drop's gonna be here. Keep your phones live. Follow your favorite people on Instagram, YouTube, and stuff like that. They definitely gonna let you know. And yeah, we ain't gonna leave you behind, man. And then for these guys right here, I know you probably thought I had the highs, but this is still the low pair. You know what I'm saying? I had the highs back in like 2015 or 2014, I believe, right around the release, traded for them. But we do have the lows right here and still in good condition. And something I just heard from the homie Tops, man, appreciate you, bro. Like I said, I haven't been watching too many YouTube videos over the early looks of the Legend Blue 11s, but I did get informed that they're going to be leather on the upper. So, you know, some people like, yo, it ain't the OG, you know what I'm saying? They want that mesh on the upper and stuff like that. But I do feel like with the leather upper, it's gonna be a lot better in my opinion, bro. I know, hey, I don't hate your boy for that statement right there, but I definitely like the leather over the mesh. I have 11s with mesh, I have 11s with the leather. And me personally, my personal take, man, don't be mad at me, I like the leather upper for some reason, man. Super nice, tumbled leather on the upper with that patent hit on the side. Of course, you got that high cut, man, so you cannot go wrong with it, man. You guys see it right here, and you already know, bro, it's gonna be almost 1 million plus pairs of these Legend Blue 11s drop in for the holiday season. It's the best time to produce a bunch of 11s. You guys know it's the same thing every single year. And what's crazy is we get the black cements, right? We're gonna get that shot drop, we're gonna get that release, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a shot drop for these Legend Blue 11s prior to the Black Cement 3 release, especially if they are releasing the last week of November. So you guys, hey, be ready for it. I'm pretty sure that's what's going to happen because, you know, they can't do a shot drop too soon, you know, to this release. And I know they don't want to mess up the release for the Black Cement remasters, you know what I'm saying? So we shall see how they do it, but I do think we will see 2 shot drops in the month of November for the Legend Blue 11s and the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement remasters. That's just my take. We shall see what happens. We'll come back to this video and see if your boy DeVintage was right, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Your boy DeVintage is back, man. It feels good. You know what I'm saying? Come back in the studio and come up on here and chop it up with you guys, man. So make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. Comment down below. Let me know what's going on with you guys. Tell me how you doing, you know what I'm saying? What you've been copping over the last 2 weeks. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Or if you've been watching, you haven't subscribed, man, hit that red button, sub up, and make sure the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop. I love you guys. Thanks for tapping in. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.